Which among the following bonds link two polypeptides of human insulin? The two polypeptides of human insulin, that is chain A with 21 amino acid and chain B with 30 amino acid, together by the disulfide bridges or the disulfide bonds, which are covalent bonds formed between sulfur atoms of cysteine residues in each chain. So these bonds help stabilize the three-dimensional structure of the insulin molecule. So the answer is option D, disulfide bridges. Option A, hydrogen bonds. These bonds are weaker and they are non-covalent bonds that typically occur between polar molecules. Option B, phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bonds are formed in nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA. Option C, covalent bond. Though disulfide bridges are a type of covalent bond, not all covalent bonds link the two polypeptides of insulin. So option C is also incorrect. The answer is option D,